Welcome back to my YouTube channel Digital. In today's video, we shall discuss about determinants of Indian foreign policy or factors that affecting for the making of the Indian foreign policy part 2. This is in the DSC 2 Political Science Honours of UG semester 5, semester B. Today we shall discuss about some of the important principles or factors of Indian foreign policy. In the previous video, we have already discussed about three important factors like geography, history and tradition, and other determinants. And the foreign policy changes from time to time with the changing condition of international scenario and also leadership of the country upon the Prime Minister, and also leadership of the country with the political parties or political party with their ideologies. So, but certain determinants that are fixed, while some of the determinants are temporary, that changes from time to time, from situation to situation. Now we shall discuss about other determinants of Indian foreign policy. They are like nature and personality of leadership. Nature of personality of leadership. In India, the personality of incumbent Prime Minister plays an important role for shaping the country's foreign policy. The country's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, who steered India's foreign policy for more than 1.5 decades. He was the architect of Indian foreign policy. He was also architect of modern India, was widely regarded as internationalist in outlook with a preference for enlightened rather than narrow and self-centered approach to the problems. He was indeed regarded as among the tallest visionaries in his time. Understandably, therefore, India's foreign policy during his tenure was more committed to the collective good of the community of the nations in relation to the concerns like world peace and disarmament. Quite contrasting is the case of influence of his daughter, Indira Gandhi. By nature, she came out as a strong and decisive personality. Her appetite to be pragmatic and sensitivity to the imperative of vital national interest left an imprint on reorienting the foreign policy along with the line of realism more than idealism. Before her father adopted the principles of idealism in the making of India's foreign policy. But when she came to power, she changed somehow towards the realism. This is how India's foreign policy with reference to the liberation of Bangladesh, non-accession to the non-proliferation treaty, strengthening of ties with the former Soviet Union may be reviewed. So these three factors, these things were come under in the foreign policy of India under the leadership of Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Then Atal Bihari Vajpayee, with his moderate, liberal and visionary personality, said to have influenced the policy of engagement with Pakistan and the United States and continued friend relationship with neighbors. And he also he also undertook the nuclear explosion, Pokhran explosion in 1998. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India's foreign policy has undergone a remarkable transformation in a short span of his prime ministership. The Modi government has no doubt left its unique imprint in a short period of time. It has made clear its objective of positioning India as a aspiring global power. Fifth determinant is the domestic milieu or domestic situation. No country's foreign policy can be immune from the influence of the domestic situation. Indeed, it is an important determinant of foreign policy. The domestic milieu refers to the nature of governing system, the political culture, including the policies of political parties, public opinions, etc., tradition, structure of government, and enlightened leadership. India's political system is based on Westminster model of parliamentary democracy. However, the executive would like to review the foreign policy as its prerogative. Parliamentary control over the executive has opened channels for influencing countries' foreign policy. In general, frequently, India's foreign policy reflected the national consensus cutting across political differences between the ruling side and the opposition. Non-alignment policy is a clear example. Some of the regional parties like those in Tamil Nadu, DMK, AADMK, MDMK, and Jammu and Kashmir, the National Conference, and People's Democratic Alliance, for instance, have come to determine countries' foreign policy towards Sri Lanka and Pakistan respectively. Public opinions ventilated through the print and electronic media have been influential determinant of foreign policy. So these are the domestic situation which influence for the making of foreign policy of India. Next is the international trend or situation. International trend or situation is an important determinant of formulating the foreign policy of all countries. Similarly, in Indian foreign policy, the international trend or international situation influence the making of the Indian foreign policy. During the Cold War era, 1945 to 1990s, have determined in a big way for the foreign policy of most of the Asian and African countries. India's efforts in expanding the policy of non-alignment were directly response to the emerged polarization in the international environment. The Cold War was the defining characteristics of world politics for nearly 45 years. Related to the nuclear field, India's successful testing in 1998 of nuclear weapons was justified as a necessary response to the fast-changing international environment that sought to dismiss the demand for nuclear disarmament and sanctify the inequitable hierarchy between nuclear weapon powers and non-nuclear weapon powers. After the sudden end of Cold War, followed by disintegration of former Soviet Union, India's foreign policy underwent appreciable shift on numerous accounts: lack of enthusiasm towards the non-aligned movement, eagerness to accommodate the American concerns, resumption of full diplomatic tie with Israel, emphasis on economic aspects of relations in Europe, South Asia, and other South Asian countries. Again, in the post-Cold War era, the increasing sensitivity in international quarters to the issue of terrorism, human rights impelled necessary adjustment in India's foreign policy. During 1990s, the critical observer of Indian foreign policy have noted The government's preoccupation with the question of Jammu and Kashmir in its contact with major countries and different global forums. The 11/7 September 2001 terrorist attack on American targets in New York and Washington presented a new opportunity to India to push its anti-terrorist foreign policy with greater conviction. The cooperative and competitive dynamics in relationship, India's approach to managing China, which has had mixed success, has involved two broad elements. The first element is engaging with Beijing where that is feasible. The second element is continuing to compete with China alone and in partnership with other countries of international sphere. The cooperative and competitive dynamics in the relationship, India's approach to managing China, which has mixed success, has involved two broad elements. The first element is engaging with Beijing where that is feasible. The second element continuing to compete with China and along and in the partnership with others. Aspiring global power. This last determinants of Indian foreign policy, aspiring global power. Under leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India's foreign policy has undergone a remarkable transformation or changes in a short span of his Prime Ministership. The Modi government has no doubt left its unique imprint in the Indian foreign policy. It has made clear its objective of positioning India as a leading global player. India is emerging as a leading power that has never tempered its idealism of having an interest in peace and a tradition of friendship to all. This is the idealism philosophy or determinants of Indian foreign policy. India's non-interventionist multilateral approach is well suited to support and sustain global governance in a multipolar world. To conclude, as elaborating several determinants of foreign policy, the relevant of the factors like India's geographical size, location, its historical experience and tradition, economic interest, the nature of political situation, structure, and the personality of the country's leadership have played a significant role in the shaping the country's policy with countries in its neighborhood and outside. Moreover, the impact of the foreign policy, the impact of the changing international environment, be it the Cold War politics or the post-Cold War trends rising up of China influence formulating India's foreign policy. India seems to have done pretty well in formulating and implementing a foreign policy behind which nations stood united, which projected the country as a peace-loving, mature democracy and law-abiding country in the realm of world affairs. Thank you very much. In next lesson, in next video, we shall discuss about principles of Indian foreign policy. Thank you very much. Thank you.